Hi friends, how are you all? Now I am going to show you one Excel magic trick. Okay, Excel magic trick. Very short. I'll make it big so that everyone can see easily. Okay. See. Now I'll show you one magic trick that how can you select blanks at a time. You want to edit all blanks in the data at a time. Manually, everyone will go like this, like this, like this, like this. So I mean to say, just at a time you can edit. Means the students who are absent on those days, on particular subject exam date, so you have to keep P. Sorry, if they are absent, you have to keep A, capital A, all blanks, only in blanks, not in other cells. Okay. Do you understand my point? Only blanks you have to keep at a time. You have to enter data at a time in the blanks that is absent. Okay. First select the data. Fill here. Okay. F5. Now go to special. It is there in here. Just press F5. Function key F5. First select the data and go to function key F5 and you will pop up this window. So go to special option, you will see blanks over there. Select the blanks, click OK, and now type A B S C and absent. But after typing whatever you want over in a blank cells, don't blindly enter the key. Don't click on enter key. Okay, click control enter so that in every blank which is selected it will activate. See, control enter. If you will enter, it will mix up all the data. I'll show you. First I will do, I'll press only, I'll click on only enter. See, no use, no use. So what you will do means, after selecting data, go to click on function key F5. All text also you can do. Go to blanks, enter. Now type A B S C N T absent. Now press control enter. Okay. Now you can color it also by doing, but don't press any key if you want to color absent only. Now check all absent out. At a time we can fill up the data. Okay, if the candidate is absent on that subject exam date, then we have to do like this. At the date on that subject exam subject he was absent, he or she was absent, for that reason we have to do like this. Okay, for average you do one thing. First you do select the data still and okay, still here. Okay, now equal to average, select the data, close, and now press only control enter. Okay, don't press enter. Understood? I will decrease the digits after decimal. To 2, only 2. Okay, hope you understood. selecting the blank cell at a time and entering the data in blank cells. Okay, I think you understood. If you have any doubts or queries, below is the comment box. Just comment on this and let me know what are the doubts you are having. Okay.